guys, welcome to Learning Point. This is Vasant and from SGR Constructions and Developers. Today I am going to introduce the concept of in-plant training for civil engineers, and as we call this is also training, and this training will be the period of 7 days. We are going to offer you the two streams. The two streams are, the first one is online streaming and second one is offline training, and these are the two streams we are going to offer to you. If you want an online course or if you want an online training, we will offer a 7 days of training, and the completion of 7 days and the 8th day you will get a certificate of industrial training of ISO certificate you will take the certificate in so many interviews, and it might be useful for every civil engineer who wants to take an industrial training like that. In the 7 days of class, we are going to undergo the syllabus of Directorate of Technical Education. What the syllabus of in-plant training for civil engineers and students, we will cover every part of the syllabus. We don't skip even a single part of the syllabus. We cover in every part of syllabus, and we will explain with the help of presentation, and we will explain with the help of softwares like AutoCAD, 3ds Max, SketchUp and Revit architecture. We will help you on through, or we will explain through these four of the softwares, and we will explain the quantity surveying, estimation, everything that civil engineer when you step out of the college. Every civil engineer, when you step out of the college, you don't know the practical knowledge of civil engineer, because in a college we will do some of the practical experiments only, but when you are going to do the job or when you are going to join in any company, you will face so many problems. So means every civil engineer want an industrial training. If civil engineer has got an industrial training, means when he is going to do the job, he will get a practical knowledge in that. In so many big companies or small companies, even it's not a matter that a large company, big company, the matter is our experience and knowledge is very matter, because if you don't have experience, if you have a knowledge, means you will gain a good job, but if you don't have a knowledge and if you don't have any experience, means how you will get the job? Think once again and have a practical knowledge and have a industrial training. This training will be the 7 days, and the ending of the day we will give a ISO certificate from our company called SGR Construction. This is the online method. And next one, offline method. In the offline method, we are going to offer, this is very important, because every student have to think that if you need an online course, means we will give the videos and we will give the materials, PDF, report, everything we will give. And in an offline method, if you want we to teach in your college directly, means we are very happy to teach in your college. We will come to your college and we will show some of the sites there, and we will explain everything, building knowledge and every practical knowledge we are going to teach in an offline method. That offline method include the practical knowledge and building construction process, everything from the foundation to everything, RCC and estimation, and everything we are going to show in the projector screen. Like this will be happened in the offline method. These are the two streams we are going to offer from the SGR Constructions and Builders, and this is the form. And mainly important notice is we are going to offer this course for very low price with a limited time. Book your slots or schedule your timings or schedule your dates for if you want we to teach in our college, means schedule your formats. I will give a link in the description or in the Instagram. Follow me in Instagram and message me in Instagram. I will provide a form link, and you fill the form and schedule your timings when we want to come. The training will be 7 days, and the 8th day will be certificate issual. And if you want to schedule your, means come on, fill the form and enter your all the details, college details, and then next we will come and teach you. Then after next 7 days you will only able to do everything as a civil engineer. You have to get a practical knowledge. Without practical knowledge you can't ruin your life. With a practical knowledge you can ruin your life. Fill the form, follow me on Instagram. I will give a link, our team will give a link, and link to you and fill the form and schedule your timings. Contact us for the more details. This is Vasant. Thank you.